Hey guys, my name is Milap and a lot of you know me as Milap only. Well, today I'm going to show you how to track and rotoscope like this. If you are new, make sure to press share on like button. Okay, then let's open AE. So I'm firstly going to double click it and going to drop down the video here in After Effects, obviously like this, and going to new composition. You can rename it if you want to. I will, and change the size same as if you are creating on a YouTube videos ratio, and I will change the duration because I don't want it like 50 seconds. I will create it 8 seconds, and you can see that my background color is green as default because I put down, and you can also change it if you want to, but I will just go with the black right now. Okay, so now I'm going to drag down the video, and now you can see that our video is imported and it's looking very nice. So now we are going to the track camera. Now going to track camera option, but if you cannot see the track camera option, simply go to the Windows tab and you can find the track camera here. Okay, now simply click on the video and I'm going to track camera, and we will wait till this track camera process ends. Okay, so now you can see that our track camera is completely done, and you can see the points also. Now going to select some area, going to right click and select create text and camera option. Now you can see the text is up here. Going to double click on the text and we will change the text from text to king. And I'm just doing a little bit resizing of it because I don't want in this the same value. Okay, now I'm going to go to the property section. I'm going to change the color, but if I will put white, then it will just mixing with the sky. Then I will just choose a different color, maybe orange or something, yellow, orange, the mixed one. And going to the effects and preset section, typing glow, going to drag and drop the glow and going to increase this glow radius, but I think that yellow is still not visible properly. So what we will do is we will go to the again property section, going to the fill, and I will change the text color from completely orange. I think now it's looking very cool. So now after just selecting this color, going to play this video, and you can see that how it's looking very cool and it's looking very nice. Alright guys, moving for the second part, which is rotoscoping. Going to double click on the video, just find this brush tool option, roto brush option, and I'm going to roughly select the video. You can also do like this, but if you want to give it more precise value, you can just simply roto it down in more detailed way. So you can see that how default is selecting the value, and I'm just waving the brush everywhere. Alright, now if you want to deselect some area, just press the alt key and you will find this deselect, and you will just see this different kind of brush, and you can deselect the part if you want to by pressing the alt key. And if you want to change the brush size, you can simply press the control key and you can just change the brush size also. Now you can see that our roughly roto is done. Now going to the main composition section, you can see the sky is completely removed, but if you don't want to remove the sky, you can simply just duplicate the video and remove the roto brush. So I have just combined the rotoscoping part and the tracking part in our video, and you can see that how it's going and you can see how it's looking like. Okay guys, this is a very short tutorial which I created for you. So this is how I little bit combined the rotoscoping part and the tracking part also in the video, and you can see the output is very amazing. You can also do this thing in your own videos also, and maybe you can maybe Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you also want to make these kind of cool things, you can let me know. I will create some more tutorials on this kind of videos, effects and all this stuff. So see you guys in the next video, and if you have any doubt, you can just contact me on social platforms. Link is in the description, so Discord, maybe via Instagram, YouTube, whatever you want to. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, keep hustling man.